right, day 143 on the Appalachian Trail. I just left the visitor center, and here is this super cool shelter here. I didn't spend the night here, but it is nice. There's the privy. Shelter's got a sink in the back. It's called the Partnership Shelter. It's not like the ones I've been staying in. It has a shower. That is cool. Really nice big shelter. I like it. But they don't have Wi-Fi and they don't have hot water. So a cold shower would not have made me happy. So instead I went into town, resupplied at Wally World. There was an Ingles there and I thought, well, I'll go to Ingles. But I had to get some fuel. And ended up getting it at Walmart. And while I was in there, I had made a big list of what I needed. And my gosh, I got everything in Walmart. And oh, this is pretty. Big tent sites here. But poison ivy everywhere. Woo. But got everything I needed at Walmart. Walked back, it's about half a mile, maybe at the most, to the hotel. And went back in and went out to ate at a Mexican restaurant last night. That was phenomenal. I knew it had to be good because the parking lot was full most of the day. And I went in and I had good food. When I went into my hotel, the air conditioner did not work. And it was a little warm. And someone had taken a cigarette and burned a hole through my bedspread. And so I could live with that if I had to, but I had to have air. So I ended up changing my room. I took a shower as soon as I got in, and they didn't have any shampoo. And they had some soap that wouldn't lather. So when I went over to Walmart, I got me some shampoo. Got those little trial sizes of shampoo and a little soap. And oh, did I take a nice shower this morning. So I'm resupplied. I'm ready to rock and roll. Today, I had a trail angel. His name's Jim. Didn't charge me anything. Come pick me up, bring me back. I gave him some cash this morning just to help pay for the gas. He said, $2 is fine. And I gave him $3. I said, here, go buy a Hardee's biscuit. He likes Hardee's biscuits, he was telling me. He had a coupon for $1 Hardee's biscuit there. But really nice fella. His son had hiked the Appalachian Trail. So he was very familiar. He's a trail angel up here. If I get home someday, I'll get his address. And I think I'm gonna get some postcards made about. People tend to do that, get some postcards and mail it to people that help them. And I think I'm gonna do that. I have pictures of me on the trail. He had a lot of pictures he was showing me. There was a family. Well, it was a mother and 2 kids who section hiked the trail over 2 years. They were young. Boy was like 5. That's pretty tough. But anyway, they were all friends. Anyway, I'll send postcards out to people that have helped me. think that'd be cool. Anyway, got caught up on all my YouTube channel. Got 3 more days posted. It's amazing. I don't mind doing it, but the YouTube channel takes a lot of time. It's the taping's not that bad, and the pictures, but uploading it and all that. I'm glad to do it. I get really neat comments, and people can kind of see what I'm doing on the trail. The Walmart didn't have the fuel I usually get. I usually get the small MSR canister. They had some kind of a Coleman mixed propane. I'm gonna try it. Maybe my stove won't blow up. But they had the larger size. I'm carrying a larger bottle than I usually do. So I may not need fuel for 10 or 11 days. Well, maybe longer, I don't know. Should be in Damascus in 4 days. I'm excited about that. I'll get to see some ponies here fairly soon. That's always a big deal. They have wild ponies on the trail. It's at the highlands. There's a couple of mountains I'm supposed to see. It's supposed to be beautiful. My friend Chops called me yesterday and gave me his fatherly advice. He's always a hoot, full of information. Yeah, he was talking about Grandma Gatewood, and he was talking about the first guy to hike the Appalachian Trail, and he met him, and he had some things to say about Grandma Gatewood. I thought that was interesting. I won't share that because I don't know how factual or accurate it is. But I enjoyed the Grandma Gatewood book. But anyway, well, here we go on the Appalachian Trail. Nice trail so far. All right, we're on top of some little hill. Can't find a name for it. It's mile 1660 going south. And at the top, all these giants stacked a bunch of rocks. Very nice. Looks cool. All right, here we go. All right, stopped here at this little stream, got some water. Very good. It's cold, it's clean. Put a little rhododendron leaf up there, make a fountain. Some of the tricks I've learned. Very nice. All right. Yes, it started raining. That's good. Keep me cool. Here's my favorite thing in the world, a bridge. Hello. Oh no. All right, here's the water. There's a stray cat. Here's another hiker. And here's the water. Day 143 on the Appalachian Trail. I just came through this pasture and I ran into this section hiker. Woo, she's got some big old sticks there, buddy. They are heavy.
Twisted, and we are headed southbound.
Southbound, her trail name's Twisted. And from Raleigh, right?
Yes.
She's a beast hiker. She's so fast. All right, here we go. All right, coming across this bridge here. Oh, this is cool. falls up ahead. And down here. Very nice. All right, day 143 is coming to an end. I'm at Hurricane Shelter. This is a really nice shelter. It's big. I'll step out here. It's got a huge overhang. You can see my clothes hanging down over there. Big, well-made shelter. The picnic table's under the roof, which is good. There's my little sleeping bag and stuff set back up in that corner. And it all looks good. It poured rain on me. I think the hardest rain I've had since I've been on the trail coming up to the shelter. At last 2 miles, 3 miles. And it was coming down hard. But I made it. I'm getting ready to make some dinner. I've already gotten cleaned up and changed into my other clothes. The other ones were soaking wet. They're all hanging up here. And I'll eat me some din-din, and I'm going to go to bed. All right, 143 coming to an end.